Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to create your YouTube shorts or your TikTok videos using DaVinci Resolve. Most of you will probably be saying something like, I'd rather shoot my video with my cell phone. The purpose of this video is just in case you shoot your video with another camera entirely and then you try to edit it. I'll teach you how to use DaVinci Resolve to convert your landscape video into portrait. That's for either YouTube shorts or TikTok. So without wasting too much time, let's jump right into the video. Guys, this right here is my timeline, so I'm going to show you what it's like. So guys, what I mean by shooting with another camera is something like this. Let me show you. So when you play this, it's just a normal full video. Now what I'm going to teach you guys is how to convert this into the size of a YouTube short. So let's continue. First, I'm going to get rid of this, and then we're going to come right to this media pool, right click, then come down to timeline, create new timeline. So after that you'll get this. So we're going to name this, let's name this YouTube shorts. Yeah. So after this is done, we'll come down here and then go down to format. So right now it's on 1920 by 1080p, which is why it is full screen, or which is why it was full screen when I played it the other time. So now we're going to turn this the other way around. So it will be 1080 by 1920. So make sure you're editing with the same frame rate you shot at. So let's create this. So guys, as you can see, it has been broken down to the size of a YouTube short or a TikTok video. So let's continue from here. We'll drag in our clip. As you can see, it's showing. So let's play this. Now as you can see, it's just showing on one part. The top side is dark and the down part is dark. So it's either we do something like this, we select the clip, go up to zoom, we zoom in completely. It's either we leave it like this and then play. You know, most videos are like this on YouTube shorts or TikTok. It's either we leave it like this or we do something else entirely, something a little bit, should I call it unique? Yeah, something like that. So first of all, we'll select the clip again, come down to effects, then open FX, then we come down to filters. So we scroll down to resolve FX stylist, then after that we come down to blanking fill, then we drag blanking fill. So this blanking fill will make it look a little bit different or way different. So after that is done, we'll come up here to effects, that's under the inspector. We'll come to effect, click on the effect, then here we'll come to fill extent, open it, then zoom to timeline. So after that is done, if you check very well, the clip itself is not stretched to the end, so we're going to try to stretch it to the end. So we'll come to source, then crop left, we shift it down to the extreme. So as you can see, it's now balanced with the timeline itself. So after that has been done, we'll go to fill appearance, then blend edge, drag it to the end, blur. You can make it as blurry as you want it to be. As you can see, it's changing. So I'm just going to leave it like this or like this. Yeah, then fade amount. Well guys, as you can see, it's fading to white. You can actually change the color of this to anything you want, like black for instance. So it's way better this way. So you can fade to black instead of white. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and then we can just add drop shadow, strength, drop angle. So you can just play around with all of these guys. You can play around with this as much as you want. So guys, that's just the simple way to create your YouTube shorts or your TikTok videos using DaVinci Resolve. Simple, straightforward, different ways you can do this. You just have to be specific and then go ahead and do your video. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.